Hi guys, good morning, welcome to VLOGMAS day 22. I hope I'm right, but here I'm in the park and I'm literally swinging. You can hear the sounds of the birds and all of that. I miss this a lot because whenever I come out on a vacation, I try to be one with the nature. It's so cold. It is really cold. Yeah, I know it is a little bit hot as well. It's like Hyderabad. It's cold in the morning. It's cold in the night. In the afternoon, it kind of gets hot. But hi. Today we're gonna leave this place and we're gonna go back to Bangalore. And tomorrow morning I fly back to Hyderabad. So I'm done too. I'm packed and done. I have to just freshen up and leave this place. So today we go back to Bangalore. I really don't know how much I filmed yesterday because we literally did nothing. I love the resort so much that we stayed in the resort and nothing else. We really loved it. So it was nice. The resort was nice because it had other activities. Like this activities park was really fun. We did yesterday that. We did lots of bungee jumping that I absolutely failed at. Lots of swimming. We went to a lot of midnight swims, but I did not take any videos because in the night near the pool there's no light. So that's that. And the reason I love doing the midnight swims is not all resorts love midnight swims. That's a bigger problem in Hyderabad. Not only in Hyderabad, I feel like everywhere else the people are like, the pool's closed by 6 o'clock. I don't know why. Maybe people are scared that, the customers might not be, the clients might not be responsible enough to take care of themselves. But this was not like that. So I love the evening swims. Yeah. The quiet is very nice today. Anyways, I'll see you guys from the road. Okay. This place was really good. Amazing food. Amazing ambience. I'm gonna miss this so much. I can't get over the pool. I'm gonna miss the pool.
ತೆಳಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಯಿ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಡ ನಾನು ಕುಡಿತೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನು
ಮುಂದೆ నాకు తెలుసు మళ్ళీ లేతగా ఉంది మా దాంట్లో సో తింటా నేను థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆంటీ మలై ఇది మొత్తం తింటా నేను
ఎలా ఉంది కొబ్బరికాయలో ఫుల్లా
We're doing like a very impromptu photo shoot in these fields. I think these are sugarcane or something. I looked at them and I told it was pampas. So let's go. Caught in live action. Wild animals shooting. No.
Piece.
I forgot.
Okay.
ಒಂದು ರವಾನಿನ ದೋಸೆ ಒಂದು ಓಪನ್ ಬಟರ್ ಮಸಾಲ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ಡ್ ರೈಸ್ ಒಂದು ವೆಜ್ ಪಲಾವ್
Sir, ice cream mega ಕೊಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಕೊಡಿ.
Are you happy eating vegetarian food?
నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం
Aksa, look at the stars. Okay, wait. చేస్తున్నా నేను. Bye.
ఇక్కడ ఫోటో కూడా ఉంది దీని లోపల.
ఓ
రాజ్కుమార్ సమాధి కూడా ఇక్కడే ఉండేది.
ఓకే
సో పర్వతమ్మ రాజ్కుమార్
ఓకే
పునీత్ రాజ్కుమార్ కూడా అక్కడే.
ఓకే
కూల్ గానే మాట్లాడి దాన్ని పిలిచి సెల్ఫీస్ ఏమైనా కావాలంటే తీసుకుని మాట్లాడి తన బాధ ఏముంటో దాన్ని వింటాడు. తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తాడు, విన్న తర్వాత సొల్యూషన్స్ అతను ఇవ్వడు, ఊరికే లోపల వెళ్ళిపోతాడు. అతను అబ్బాయిలు ఉంటారు కదా, చెప్పేసి వెళ్ళిపోతారు.
ఓకే.
నెక్స్ట్ ఇతను ఏమే ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే ఆ అబ్బాయి చూసుకొని సరి చేస్తారు. అక్కడ పునీత్ రాజ్కుమార్ పేరే రాదు. సో ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ
ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ అబ్బాయిలు ఇచ్చినట్లు.
అదే ఓకే. ఆయన డీడ్ ఆయన తీసుకోడు. సో ఇస్ వెరీ ఫేమస్ ఇక్కడ. ఓకే ఓకే. పూల్ చూడు వ్యక్స్తా. రే 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 రే
ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ?
We're out on a date with ourselves. Me? You're telling me or you? Yeah, because this is light. Yeah, even mine looks like panda here. Let's go have some.
Da 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 da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep.